Hi, this is E-Roll Battery. Today we're doing another battery replacement. And it's a hot summer day, 100 degrees. So we are heading to South Miami to replace a battery on a Cadillac SRX. Once we arrived to the location, we found out that the car is in the garage. And it's going to be difficult for us to drive to the garage and perform the service since the owner is the only one that has the badge to open the gate. We didn't waste any time. We just walked to the garage with our portable jump box and gave the car a jump start. This lid is the positive terminal. We're going to connect the positive here first and then the negative towards the chassis. Alright, the Cadillac started right up. Now that the car is running, the Cadillac owner can drive the car outside to an empty parking lot next to his building and we can replace the battery. These are the parts and tools that we are going to be using for this battery replacement. Let's remove this cover on top of the battery. There's a couple clips here on the side and there's two more here on this other side. We just press in and push up and put the cover here on the side. There's a battery bracket here in the bottom that's being held down by a 13mm bolt. But before we get to it, we're going to have to remove this negative terminal. And we are going to use a 10mm socket to remove it. Now that this wire is out of the way, we can get to this battery hold down here. And we are using a 13mm socket with extension. With the same 13mm socket, we're going to remove this wire on top of the battery. Let's place it here on the side. And using a 10mm, we're going to remove this positive terminal. And with the help of a flathead screwdriver, we're going to loosen the terminal so it'll come up. But before we do, let's take out the bus from the side of the battery. We're just going to stick the flathead terminal here, disengage the right side and the left side, and then we're going to lift up. Now the battery is free from the bottom and the top. It will slide out. With some extra help holding the top wire, or if you by yourself, use a bungee cord to hold it. Take out the battery using two hands. It's pretty heavy, so be careful lifting it out. And the same process to put it back in it again. Just move the wires out of the way and slide the battery all the way back until it falls in place. Let's install the top cover that has the wire and the fuse, and we're just going to press all the way down until it clips into the top of the battery. And let's start securing it. We're going to start by the positive terminal, tying it all the way down. This is a 10mm. And since we are here on this side of the battery, let's connect this top wire. It's a 13mm nut that we're going to tie with a 13mm socket. Now let's grab and install the battery hold down. This hold down has a 13mm bolt in between it that we are going to drive down using a 13mm socket. Alright, now let's connect the negative terminal. Just going to take out this cover and put the negative terminal right in the middle of the pole and push all the way down. And this terminal has a 10mm nut that we are going to tie in with this 10mm socket. Alright, the battery is installed. Now we're going to install the top cover of this battery, and we're just going to align it everything together on all the sides and then push all the way down into a clip. Let's start the Cadillac and hear that sweet sound of this engine. Another successful installation. Clients is happy, we are happy. Now we can head our way. It's a hot summer day, but it's doable. Thank you for coming back and watching one more video. Please like and subscribe and keep coming back for more battery installation.